All right, welcome back. So while the update was conducting, I was hearing some noise coming from the rear motor. So I don't know, it sounded like a weird kind of noise while the update was going on. I don't know, maybe it has something to do with the software update, but that kind of got me spooked a little bit. But it stopped after the update completed. So let me go ahead. If you had that same issue, let me know in the comment section. Alright everybody, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. This is Benga. Tonight or this morning I have another software update. So let's find out what this update is all about. If this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe and like the video. And check out other videos like this for software update for my 2024 KIA EV9. And let's go ahead and deep dive into this and see what this update is all about. All right, so let me go ahead and hit on detail. So, and this is about, oh wow, so I'm gonna be getting a software update that will enable my vehicle to charge at a NACS connector DC fast charger. So I'm just gonna go back and read this. So the update will continue even when the vehicle is off of the about 11 minutes. So the update details: OTA software update, improvement, charging compatibility. And this is what the software update is about. And this OTA update provides the following improvement to support a better experience: improves vehicle compatibility with NACS connector DC fast charger. So this is what my car needs for me to be able to charge at a Tesla supercharger. So this is what I am gonna get. Let's see that. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. So let me go ahead and start the update and go ahead and start. So I'm gonna start now. So I'm gonna fast forward this process, and I'll go ahead and let's see. I need to charge my car, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So while the update was conducting, I was hearing some noise coming from the rear motor. So I don't know, it sounded like a weird kind of noise while the update was going on. I don't know, maybe it has something to do with the software update, but that kind of got me spooked a little bit. But it stopped after the update completed. So let me go ahead. If you had that same issue, let me know in the comment section, because I've never heard that before with any update I've had. I'm sorry that I couldn't record it because I was trying to get the car to come on and open up the. Okay, now the charge board door was able to open and close, because earlier it wasn't allowing me to open it. So I guess maybe that was part of the update. So let me go ahead and unlock this. So just looking at this, it looks like it's kind of reset the vehicle, some of the setting in the vehicle, because as you can see right now, it is showing 2 degrees Celsius, and it's supposed to be on Fahrenheit. So I need to go ahead and change that. And for you to do that, you just need to go to let me go back. Okay, so from the main page, you just have to scroll down. Actually, no, let me go back. Go to setup and swipe and go to general, and you see units. Okay, vehicle auto power on. All right, so it changed back to miles. Okay, I guess that was just actually I need to change that. So right now this is software update 25.1.1. so let me go ahead and hit on the detail. And as I mentioned earlier, this software update improved vehicle compatibility with NACS connected DC fast charger. So they are preparing us. What is today? Today is the 15th. So that means I will be able to go to a Tesla supercharger to certain Tesla superchargers. Okay, it's not only going to be Magic Dock, it will also be certain designated Tesla superchargers. I believe they are V3s that we can use. Hopefully that update will allow us to get maybe more faster charging charging speed. So we'll see, or I will try that when I get to one of those selected Tesla supercharger. So all right, so just letting you guys know, nothing changed when it comes to the option for DC fast chargers. So pretty much there's no Tesla, there's nothing for Tesla here. So what I'm going to do is and when I looked on the map right here, there's nothing about Tesla supercharger on here. So maybe there might be another update, software update for maps, but I don't see anything about Tesla supercharger here. So what I'm going to do is go on the app and see if there's any changes to that Tesla app. So I'll be right back. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. This is a good news. Unfortunately, Kia is not going to give Kia owners like me NACS adapter. So I still have the one from A to Z, which they haven't sent me a replacement yet. They just go back and forth about stuff, and it's like, okay, if you guys, I mean, just send the stuff and I'll replace it back or whatever. I don't know. They just doing a little bit of too much stuff right here. And this is the reason why I don't like buying early adoption stuff, because it's just problems. You know, so, but let me know in the comment section, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.